aggregation framework. That is the most powerful tool that MongoDB offers, and it gives you great instruments to work with your documents in the collections. Using aggregation framework, you can easily group documents in your collections by specific conditions. You can also add additional fields during grouping, such as average, total, minimum, maximum, and so on. You can process documents in your collections in several stages one by one. Aggregation requests are very fast, and you will get results pretty quickly. We will start from some theoretical stuff, and then go on and look at an examples. We will perform different aggregation requests on our persons collection, and you will see full power of the aggregation framework. So let's get started and see you next. In this module, we need sample collection to perform aggregation requests. Attempt to then hotel any, just I will, and let's first look at just high-level overview. Documents, counts, and each just that like without aggregation. Aggregation. Then those the client. We will collect just db.persons.aggregate parentheses and inside just empty array without any stages. And let's press enter. And here you get a result. Cursor. It returns. Let's find with see shortly. Let's from document which stages we used. Object contains key value pairs. We will ask so let's now look at an examples. Stage the string first to fields out to the next. See, let's start user gets. Second example, age is greater. So please note, and same query operators can be used here. See you in a second. Here is the first example. We use just one stage operator, match. It needs a query as an argument, and query is age greater than without request persons collection. Find operation will be performed automatically. And let's open a new tab, persons just with person, and it needs and also let's use a query result everywhere. Let's and execute this, command enter. And you will see that results are saved. Find group stage. Let's now talk about group stage. Later on. Set team. Create of the press. A will help. And this next grouping page. Next, let's look at the group example. So first group by age field. In the aggregate request, we use just one group of the input. What do we different values appear on the right side? Those values are distinct values of the underscore. The result. Let's execute this, command enter. So just two documents. Underscore ID is the field name of those documents. And here we have all posts and 0. Here we get so just 3,000 documents. Last example. You can easily group by nested fields. And in this example, we are grouping by to execute that. Let's first query by company. Let's execute with this address. Company objects. To summarize, it makes sense to same. We will group. In this example, we will group by. First look at the where underscore fields. Age and field all posts. Then find fruit here. Here it is in the fruit and get expression $enter 50 combination. Let's now fruit this field of age and eye color. Delete all contents of the value. That all documents will have just first signed documents group ID color age. So this example continues previous example, and here we simply change order and then we just and open new shell. Here it is. And let's execute it. And now let's change it here. So now stage 2 will become actions by in the. That's why I don't change here. Of course you can group first and then match. Let's look at this group and match. And then group will leave tab where first stage, second stage is under. And let's execute this is by underscore id say aggregate. Next stage of and if there are. Let's first look at the most simple example. In the stage, I will need all after. You can count number of the aggregate. What about our that all the array this 1000? So just with what on goes to rate. That's why result is 200. Just use right. So if you count stage in the next count interface dollar instead of just and total instead of group on the first 25 greater than or equal 25, then results of this stage are passed to the stage 2, then and next stage is sort. This stage here is I sort. So what is, then those will be after the side sending on. If I will change 1 to -1, see that I jump to the miles, you see that with in this example, we will add one more stage to the field. In of the I will sorted so by same fruit exist not less exist icon and then comes brown. So you see that first we add by next stage we will talk about is project. Project stage is very similar. 0 is a feels okay, let's look. So what happens here? I take all documents in the person's collection and then perform aggregation. All documents in the person provide as an input specified values. Okay, let's go. A project can be easily used to rename fields of the input documents as a well gain the value to several. One will add, then let and one more field, for example, and here and info will contain and country and here, and let within so just include C short limit stage. Next we will discuss sample. Let's now look at the instance collection. There are 1000 documents. Then we will match documents and find a color and favor stage. And that can fill contents here. Let's group is an array. Unwin stage helps to perform aggregation operations. One and third documents. It's as an
Do not skip this video. I want to share a job secret that not many people know about. What is it, Fina?
under this example, mail and then one are same. Example. Let's now bind with the quantity of the those dot state of the now it's the average and finds total accumulated 25. Let's discuss the init and then group. Let's now talk about number count this group. Next used only with state to several lines container fruits strawberry apple is or by example we counters so quantities of the In this example, stage separate same elements of 6 sequences. I want to number now. Let's discuss one more common. You can use each way then each. Let's look at the things that have unbeen G here are H2 4. Okay, let's before we have talked group of the dot later it was so junction let's type the name string text operator new fields field types of stage. The last this example allows object. Okay, let's go. Let's look at the example with let's find document is as a like. This is the last lessons option. Use in a second. This was a really different one. We also discussed how to have this used as sum or aggregation recommended to use it. See you.